In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust columns in QuickBooks Online Advanced Reports. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or you're a seasoned user, this tutorial will give you the right skills to make your reports easier to read and more tailored to your needs. Let's jump right in. To begin, the first thing you need to do is head over to your preferred internet browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In button prominently displayed on the screen. Go ahead and click on that to initiate the login process. Next, you'll be prompted to select which QuickBooks option you're using. Here, choose QuickBooks Online from the list. It's crucial to ensure you're logging into the correct QuickBooks platform, as different versions have different features tailored to various business needs. Now you'll need to type in your credentials. This means entering your username or email along with your password. Once you've double checked your information to ensure it's accurate, click Continue. This will take you to the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online. You'll see various tabs and menus on the homepage, but what you're interested in is the Reports tab. You can find this tab along the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on the Reports tab will open up a world of data insights and options, allowing you to access a range of reports. Once you're in the Report section, you need to select the specific report you want to view. Depending on your business needs, you might want to look at profit and loss statements, balance sheets, or other financial documents. Simply click on the name of the report you wish to examine. Now comes the part where you adjust the columns. After your report has loaded, look closely at the top of the report interface. You will see a small vertical line between each column header. All you need to do is click and drag this vertical line to adjust the width of the columns according to your preference. It's that simple. Adjusting these columns can help make data more readable and ensure important details aren't cut off. Remember, tailoring the columns to highlight the most relevant data can improve not only the report's readability, but also its effectiveness in communicating necessary insights. Whether you're preparing for a meeting or simply organizing your own records, these adjustments can make a big difference. That's all there is to it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to adjust columns in QuickBooks Online Advanced Reports. Remember, taking the time to tweak these details can greatly enhance your reporting experience. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your finances in QuickBooks.